Are you watching videos that depressing the shit out of you? Well, in this video, we're gonna talk about what videos to look for and how to avoid them. So let's head to the shop. Oh man, beautiful day out there today. Let me tell you, for you screen printers are solo like me, man, sometimes you need to pause everything here and go out and enjoy, at least for an hour or two, enjoy the day, get your mind cleaned up and come back over here, because we work alone and sometimes you don't want it to become very repetitive. Go out, do talks to some people, or maybe just take a nice walk and enjoy the weather, man. So right now, all right, yesterday I was cleaning my screens. Today I gotta call them. That's what I'm gonna do in a few. But yesterday I was talking to a good friend of mine. He's been printing for about 2 years already. And he's going through what I go through, depression, and a lot of us go through that.
But, you know, I'm not gonna cry over it. I did that in the car on the way home.
You cannot cure depression. You gotta just manage it. Sometimes you feel great, and sometimes you feel like crap. But I noticed something about what he was talking about, what got him into depression, and that's what we're gonna talk about, because believe it or not, videos that we're watching from other screen printers or whatever you're watching, it could really bring that depression up for days. And that's what we want to talk about, is how to avoid that, because it's something serious, especially for screen printers that are starting and you have that depression going on. Makes it a little tough, and it's a serious little topic I want to talk today. So that's what we're gonna do. But now let me coat these screens. Depression. A lot of us have it. I have it, and I'm not ashamed of saying it, because I've been dealing with it for many years, man, and I have learned how to manage it. Depression is very scary, especially for people that are trying to become entrepreneurs. You're gonna start your business. It's gonna take a little longer, because you're gonna go through some depression in between those times where you're not motivated, you're not pushing yourself. It's gonna back you up a little. You go through it maybe a week, two, sometimes a month. It has gone like that for a month, and then you're back in. You know, you got this motivation, energy, and you're just killing it, and here it comes again. And I want to talk about the main part that I believe it plays a major role when it comes to people that suffer from depression, and is social media. Just like a lot of people that have problem with their weight, they see a skinny person, and that just clicks on, and I start feeling depressed. Or women, especially women that are insecure of themselves, they think they ugly, which they not. There's no ugly women, but they see this beautiful woman, and it makes them feel, and then there goes the depression. Clicks on. They just don't understand why I feel depressed. It just happens in an instant, you know? And that's my whole point here, because we as screen printers that go through depression, you have to be careful what videos are you watching when it comes to screen printing. You have to be specifically knowing what it is, because you could see somebody just blowing up on a video, and believe me, that's gonna get you depressed, and you have to avoid those. And I'm gonna talk about some channels that you could just be aware of. Stay away from them when you're feeling depressed. Don't watch them. Those videos, they motivate you. That's where you want to get to. But there are days that when you have it and you watch those videos, it's just gonna make it worse. You know, you're gonna prolong that depression for more days feeling like that. So I'm gonna talk about how to avoid those, what to watch where it's gonna click on, And there's some videos are very, very good. I watch them and they motivate you. No matter when you're feeling depressed, these videos are just perfect for people with depression. While the screen is drying up, if you want to dry your screen quickly, just put a fan on it. Make sure that your room is nice and warm, and it will dry up within at least an hour or two. My last video that I did was about the registration marks on your palette, that you don't need no ruler. You could just do your own template and put on the screen and do that. Well, my boy Kevin Aker, he just uploaded a video on his YouTube. Go to his channel, Kevin Aker. And now he's showing you how to register using that template and how other things you could do to make your registration much faster. And the good thing is that this template that I created right now, if you're interested in downloading it, he has it. So go to his channel, go subscribe, and then you could download his template. Plus he has other nice little videos of little tricks that you could do and DIYs to make your screen print better. So Kevin Aker, keep doing your thing, man. Now let's get ready. See that? Oh, let me just send a quick quote here. Doing it through Printavo. Get out of it. That's what I love about Printavo. Oh, talking about Printavo. This video is sponsored by Printavo. Printavo is a simple management software. Printavo will help you manage orders, handle schedules, automation, and online stores. Regardless if you run a small or big print shop, Printavo will help you streamline your business. This is what the most thing that I like is about having the quote on the phone, because usually I'm doing deliveries and people always asking for quotes, and real quick I just gotta go here, type Gildan 5000, tells me the price, handle how many colors real quick, and send it, and real quick they will reply, and right there they could even send the payment so fast. So if you're interested in Printavo, go to printavo.com, and Printavo will give you 50% off the first month by just using the promo code Taino. Oh, like I always say, that's a great deal. So I want to thank Printavo for sponsoring today's video. All right, here it is. Here are the videos that when you're feeling down, not to watch. And I don't mean not to watch these videos. Watch these videos. These videos are getting you down when you're not feeling depressed. They are great motivational, you know. The videos I'm talking about, stay away from, is videos that they talking about how much money they made. They made a lot of money. Oh, I made $10,000 in a month. I made $5,000 in a month screen printing and all this. Great motivational video, but not good when you're feeling depressed. That moment that you're feeling that, stay away from it, because you're gonna start questioning yourself. You're gonna start talking about, what am I doing wrong? Why I'm only making this? And I'm working hard, I'm doing everything, and it's not working. It's because it takes time. It takes time. Don't hurt yourself. Don't start thinking that you're doing everything wrong. No, it's not that. It's just takes a little longer process. So those videos about talking money, stay away from. Videos of just showing how many shirts they doing. Oh, I'm doing 2,000 shirts, 3,000 prints right here. Look all these boxes and look all these shirts, you know. Oh yeah, stay away from those videos. That also will get you depressed, because when you're starting, you're starting with 25 shirts, 12 shirts, 50 shirts, 100 shirts, and for these other people, that it looks like a small little order, but for you, it's a big order. So when you start doing 24 shirts, 50 shirts, the moment that you get that first order of 100 shirts, you're gonna tell yourself, I have a huge order. And yes, it's a huge order. Not for the one that's used to in the thousands, you know? That's what I mean. Stay away from those, because you doing really good printing 50, 100 shirts. And then you see why I haven't get thousands of shirts. It's gonna get you down. The other one is videos that are just showing that they have everything. Top of the line of everything. Heat press, let's say a DTG, everything. Top of the line of everything, and they boasting about all the equipment that they have. Great motivational video when you're feeling okay. That's where you want to get it. I want to get that. I want to do that. You see somebody doing it, of course it's a good video to watch, but it's not good when you're feeling depressed. When that depression is there, all you're going to look is at your equipment and you're going to be like, what's going on? It's going to take me years for that. You don't know. You don't know. It might not, but as long as you keep doing you, it's all about doing you. Those videos, try to stay away when you're feeling like this, you know? It's not hating them, because it's very easy to say, oh, you're just a hater. You're not a hater, man. You understand? You just right now at your moment, you're going through your thing. Keep that, in the side, and when you're feeling back better, then watch them, because it's gonna motivate you. But those are the videos I will recommend you not to be watching when you're feeling depressed. Now, you got these other videos that even when you're not depressed, you watch them, but when you're depressed, watch those more. The videos of like tutorials, it's just talking about how to do this, and that. Nothing else. It's just talking about straight up screen printing, how to do this. Great. The videos that go live, that what you're looking for is like a little community, like Right Beats, T-Shirt Chick, those are Liberty Graphics. Those, when they go live, go to those channels, because those channels you're gonna have a community, people talking, answering questions. There's no boasting. There's no, oh, I'm doing great, and look how much I'm doing. No, it's all about learning in a community. When you depress, a community sense of it helps you, man, because now you're gonna laugh, you're gonna read comments, you're in it, people ask you questions, you answer. That's why I watch the T-Shirt Chick, Right Beats, in my TV every day. When they up there live, I watch them. While I'm printing, I watch them, I'm reading comments, and it makes you feel a little better of the day that you're feeling crappy. That's what I say. So that's the difference. So try to notice when you're feeling down. When you're feeling down, you're kind of slow, there's no motivation. Depression is already coming in. Don't just start feeding to it, because then you're gonna prolong that depression for weeks. You just wanna have that depression maybe for few days, for a few days. My last 5 years, let me tell you, I have handled the depression very, very well. When it comes in maybe for about 2 days, then I'm done with it. But before, it used to be for weeks, man. So this is my best 5 years of my life where I have handled depression very well. And this thing about YouTube and social media has really helped, because I'm surrounding myself with people that are motivating you, asking questions. There's no haters, man. A lot of them in social media, don't call them haters. They critics, and people are critical. Sometimes you need those people to criticize your work, because it motivates you. But do not read them when you're feeling down, and start reading these comments of and then you're gonna say they're haters. No, they criticizing your work, and they have the right to. You understand? It helps you, but do not read them when you're feeling depressed, because it's not gonna do good. So I hope I help a little something here, because my friend, after I spoke to him, he came and told me it's true. He's not watching these videos, is helping him a little. Even if it helps you just a little, it's a help. It's a help. So for those people going through that, man, stay strong. Don't put yourself down. This is a normal thing. We all go through it. Believe it or not, we all go through it. Just some people know how to cover it up better. But don't be ashamed of knowing that you have that. All you have to do is handle it, man. Handle it, manage it very, very well, and you'll see that you'll do good, and you'll be okay with it, man. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.